Thank you. So I just wanted to mention a few things. I really appreciate all the time that some of the students especially spent with us at our booth earlier. I mean, you guys are clearly the future. Whatever school you're at, I mean, keep doing your good work and keep bringing some good ideas, and we back you. So thank you for all that. So we are AuthEntry. Just so from a show of hands, how many people have way too many usernames and passwords and accounts to remember on a daily basis, right? So most of you right now are probably using what's called static passwords or master password managers, right? So we've kind of changed the game. So we have developed a unique proposition that dynamically generates passwords every time you want to log in to your account. So no more having to remember passwords, usernames, and we do this through our mobile device. So if you have a mobile device and you're paired with your accounts, you can get a new password every time that you log into your accounts. Some statistics we read about is, if you think about it, 93% of data breaches are initiated and have been initiated by, stolen or misused or weak passwords, and that's what we're trying to eliminate here with our solution. So again, if you think of all the usernames and passwords you use on a daily basis, wouldn't it be great to be able to just forget them all and not have to use them at all, right? So that's what we've done. With Gatekeeper Pro, we take the static master password solution and we dynamically create passwords so every time you have a new password and a fresh start when you log into your accounts that nobody can steal, hack, intercept. We use a technology called secure HTTPS, where your dynamic password is sent to you, as opposed to a text-based message, which is just that. It's open, it's not encrypted, it's a text that anyone can read and anyone can intercept. So we conveniently secure, manage, and monitor all your accounts in one location in a secure private cloud. And to access those accounts, as you can see, you simply press on the account that you want to access. We'll say FreshBooks for this application. Put in your 6-digit PIN, which either can be numeric or it can be alphabetic. It depends on what your company or your personality is. And you're in. You're logged in. No more usernames, no more password resets, no more midnight calls to call centers figuring out if you can reset your passwords for any account, any location, on any device. It's really what we believe is a game changer in the password industry. Some other key features are we monitor your accounts. So we monitor for fraudulent activity. So say you're a 9 to 5 type of person, we see you log in every day, 9 to 5, and for some reason, now you're logging in at 2 a.m. Well, we're going to notify you and say, hey, look, you have to prove to us now that you are who you are because you've had too many trials to access your accounts, and we lock you out of the account. We do full credential management and account management as part of our solution, and we also have what's called a remote session disconnect. Say, for instance, you're on an account in the library at your school, and you forget to log off of your account, and you leave your account wide open for anyone to see. Well, you can simply go on your cell phone now and hit remote session disconnect, and it'll log you off of that session without having to do anything, or go back to that computer to log off. So some really cool things. We'll talk about a little bit about our customers and our partners. We've got some really good feedback. Gatekeeper Pro will save us $45,000 a year on average. Ipsum, Enterprise Bank. We're really about enhancing security and boosting employee productivity. And AuthEntry from one of our partners. It's a relative and timely solution that is really needed and that we can easily, resell. We've got a great team that has been probably 20 plus years each of us in the security software marketplace. 2 of us are here. Thank you, Al, for showing up. And we have a few other people that are not here tonight that couldn't make it. So we have a great team in place. So which would you rather use? Kind of write them all down on your hand, a username or a notebook, or use your phone to really secure your accounts. You can get a free 1-year subscription if you email me, ahebert@AuthEntry, mention Techout in the subject line, 1 free year.